Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and simply tap on the story or swipe left in order to upload any story. So after you do that, you can click any stories or you can take it from anywhere, from your photos gallery or anywhere. So I'm just clicking here at the moment, and after you click down this story, simply post it to your Instagram account, and after you post it, you will get to see the three dash dot option available in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the add mention option available there. So now from here you can add or remove any mentions you have done. You will get to see the list of friends or list of mentioned you have done here, and you can simply remove them. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.